Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your laptop has Thunderbolt 3/4 or supported adapter, and that BIOS settings allow external devices. Once done, update the laptop OS, Thunderbolt firmware and chipset drivers so the connection is stable. Make sure to disable Secure Boot if required by your driver. Next, unpack the external GPU enclosure, install the GPU into the PCIe slot, tighten screws, and connect the enclosure power. Finally, keep the Thunderbolt cable at hand and power the enclosure, but do not plug into the laptop yet. You now connect and configure. With the eGPU powered up, plug the Thunderbolt 3/4 cable into the enclosure and then into your laptop. Accept any security prompts that appear in the system dialog. Once the OS recognizes the device, install the latest NVIDIA or AMD drivers. Do this immediately to prevent crashes. After drivers, open display settings and set the external GPU as primary for external monitors, or assign specific applications to use the eGPU. Make sure to reboot if prompted, and check GPU activity with monitoring tools to verify operation. You finish by validating the setup. Run a game or benchmark to confirm the GPU is delivering expected performance and monitor temperatures and clock speeds to ensure stability. If the laptop does not detect the eGPU, first power cycle the enclosure, reconnect the Thunderbolt cable, and try another certified cable or port. Update firmware and drivers again if needed. Make sure to eject devices safely and avoid disconnecting under load. If you see errors, check Windows Device Manager for code errors, then retry with a fresh driver install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.